In this week's video, I'm going to show you how to make this flower coaster. As you can see, it's got a 6-petal flower design on it. The whole piece is about 15 centimeters in diameter, so it's a little bigger than the cat coaster I made. I'll put a link on top, you can have a look at that. So yeah, it's slightly bigger than other regular coasters. If you want a smaller size, you can switch to a hook over smaller size or use thinner yarn. So I'm just letting you know that. Now we're gonna start making this coaster together. I'm using a 3mm crochet hook. So first we're gonna start with a magic loop. Then chain 1 into this loop, a single crochet. Then you're gonna chain 7, single crochet into the loop again, then chain 7 and single crochet again, so far we've made 2 loops here, so continue doing that until you have 6 loops. After you chain 7 the last time, slip stitch into the first single crochet. Then slip stitch into the next 3 chains. I only slip stitched into the next 2 chains here, but it didn't turn out to be what I wanted, so you're gonna slip stitch one more time than I did. After that, chain 3 double crochets into this loop, chain 2 into the next loop, 4 double crochets, then chain 2. So you're gonna repeat this all the way around. I've put 4 double crochets into the last loop, chain 2, slip stitch on top of the chain 3, then chain 3 into the next stitch, 2 double crochets. Then you're gonna chain 1 into the next stitch, 2 double crochets. Into the last double crochet here, 1 double crochet. Then chain 3, into the first double crochet, 1 double crochet, and the next one gets 2, chain 1, the next one gets 2, and the last one gets 1. Then chain 3 again and repeat. When you reach the last section here, chain 3 and slip stitch on top of this chain 3. Now I've done that, I'm gonna chain 3 again to start the next row. 1 double crochet into the next 2 stitches, chain 1 and 1 double crochet into the next 3 stitches, then chain 4, single crochet into this space here, then chain 4 again, so just repeat that. 1 double crochet into the next 3 stitches, chain 1 and 1 double crochet into the next 3 stitches, chain 4, single crochet, chain 4, and repeat that all the way around. When you finish your last chain 4 here, slip stitch on top of the chain 3. Now I've done that, I'm gonna start the next row by chaining 2. Then into the next stitch, a double crochet. Into the next stitch, a double crochet again. Then chain 1, a double crochet into the next stitch. Then yarn over into the next stitch, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, then yarn over, straight into the next one, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through all 3. Then chain 5, now you can see we have 2 spaces here. Into the first one, a single crochet, then chain 5, single crochet into the next space, chain 5 again, yarn over into the next stitch, this double crochet here, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, then yarn over, straight into the next stitch, pull through the first 2 loops, then finish this stitch, a double crochet into the next stitch, chain 1, 1 double crochet into the next, yarn over into the next stitch, stop here, then start the next double crochet like this. Now chain 5, 2 spaces here, into the first one, a single crochet, chain 5, single crochet into the next one, chain 5 again, and just keep repeating that. When you finish the last chain 5, slip stitch on top of the chain 3, the third chain that's on top of this double crochet here. Then chain 2, into this space in the middle, stop here and do that again. Pull through the first 2 loops, then yarn over into the next space here, pull through the first 2, yarn over and pull through, chain 5, now we have 3 spaces here, single crochet into the first one, chain 5, single crochet into the second one, chain 5, single crochet into the third one, then chain 5 the last time. Yarn over into this space, pull through 2, into this middle one, yarn over, pull through 2, do that again, then into the next space, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through all to finish this stitch. Chain 5 again, and just keep repeating that. Now I've finished the last chain 5. I'm gonna slip stitch into this loop here, this one that other threads are coming out of, then you're gonna chain 6, double crochet into the same stitch where this chain's coming out of, slip stitch into the next space, a double crochet into this single crochet here, chain 3, double crochet into the same stitch, slip stitch into this one, double crochet into the next single crochet, chain 3, and a double crochet into the same stitch. So repeat that all the way around. Finish the slip stitch into the last space. Then we're gonna do one last slip stitch into this chain here. We have 6 stitches here. Slip stitch into the third one, and fasten off. So this is how you make this flower coaster. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.